Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world and the southernmost continent. It is the only continent with no permanent human habitation and is primarily known for its extreme climate and vast, pristine wilderness. Despite being one of the harshest and most inhospitable places on Earth, Antarctica is also home to a diverse array of wildlife and is an important scientific research site. In this blog post, we will delve into the history, geography, climate, wildlife, and scientific significance of Antarctica. History. Antarctica is believed to have been discovered by the ancient Greeks and Romans, who speculated about the existence of a southern landmass. However, it was not until the early 19th century that explorers began to explore the continent. The first person to set foot on Antarctica is credited to be the Russian explorer Fabian von Bellingshausen, who landed on the continent in 1820. Over the next century, a number of explorers from different countries, including James Clark Ross, Robert Falcon Scott, and Ernest Shackleton, made expeditions to Antarctica, mapping the continent's coastline and establishing research stations. In the 20th century, Antarctica became a focus of international scientific cooperation, and the signing of the Antarctic Treaty in 1959 established the continent as a scientific preserve. Geography. Antarctica is located at the South Pole and is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It has a total land area of approximately 14 million square kilometers, making it the fifth largest continent in the world. Antarctica is divided into two main regions, East Antarctica and West Antarctica. East Antarctica is the larger of the two and is composed mostly of a high, flat plateau covered in ice, with some mountain ranges and a few areas of exposed rock. West Antarctica, on the other hand, is characterized by its rugged mountains and numerous islands, and is considered more geologically active than East Antarctica. Antarctica is home to several major mountain ranges, including the Transantarctic Mountains, which divide East and West Antarctica. Mount Vinson, located in the Ellsworth Mountains in West Antarctica, is the highest point on the continent, standing at 4,892 meters, 16,050 feet, above sea level. Climate. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth, with average temperatures ranging from -10 to -60 degrees Celsius, -50 to -76 degrees Fahrenheit. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was at the Russian Vostok station in Antarctica, where temperatures dropped to -89.2 degrees Celsius, -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, in 1983. The climate of Antarctica is shaped by a number of factors, including the continent's location at the South Pole, its high elevation, and the presence of the Antarctic ice sheet, which covers approximately 98% of the continent. The ice sheet acts as a giant reflector, reflecting a large percentage of the sun's energy back into space and keeping the continent cold. Despite its harsh climate, Antarctica is also known for its stunning natural beauty, with vast expanses of ice and snow, towering mountains, and stunning vistas. Wildlife. Despite its inhospitable climate, Antarctica is home to a surprising variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, whales, and a number of bird species. The most iconic of these is undoubtedly the penguin, with several species of the flightless birds living and breeding on the continent. Other notable species include the Weddell seal, which can dive to depths of over 600 meters, 1,970 feet, and the orca, or killer whale, which preys on seals and other marine mammals in the waters around Antarctica. Subscribe.